The Kawasaki KX500 remains one of the most powerful and respected two-stroke dirt bikes ever created. Known for its explosive power, lightweight design, and unmatched off-road dominance, the KX500 has earned a legendary reputation in motocross, enduro racing, and desert riding. This script explores the untamed spirit of the KX500, its iconic engine, handling, history, and why it continues to be worshipped by riders worldwide. Origins of the beast. First introduced in the 1980s, the KX500 instantly became a force on the racetrack. Its massive two-stroke engine delivered a level of acceleration and torque few riders were prepared for. Over the years, the bike evolved into a symbol of raw power, high-speed racing, and mechanical simplicity. Riders who mastered the KX500 were seen as warriors capable of taming one of the fiercest machines ever built. Engine, the heart of the monster. At the core of the Kawasaki KX500 is a 499 cubic centimeters two-stroke engine that delivers breathtaking horsepower and torque. The violent surge of power, especially in the mid-range, became the KX500's trademark. The engine's simplicity makes it easy to maintain, yet its performance demands respect. Whether tearing through sand dunes, blitzing across open desert, or launching off motocross jumps, the KX500's engine power is unmatched in its class. Powerband and riding experience. The KX500 is famous for its explosive powerband. A twist of the throttle unleashes instant acceleration that can lift the front wheel effortlessly. Riders must balance skill and confidence to harness the machine's aggressive nature. The adrenaline rush of controlling this two-stroke giant is what keeps enthusiasts coming back. The sound of the exhaust alone, sharp, loud, and wild, adds to the raw off-road experience. Chassis and handling. Despite its intimidating engine, the KX500 offers a surprisingly balanced chassis. The lightweight frame and responsive suspension give riders control on rough trails, deep sand, and high-speed straights. The bike's geometry makes it nimble in corners while staying stable during aggressive acceleration. Its handling capabilities helped it dominate desert races like the Baja 1000, where reliability and precision are just as important as power. Suspension and off-road dominance. Equipped with long travel front forks and a strong rear shock, the KX500 absorbs jumps, bumps, dunes, and rocky terrain with authority. The suspension is tuned for aggressive riding, giving riders the confidence to push limits. Combined with its lightweight build, the KX500 delivers superior off-road traction and control, making it a favorite among desert warriors and motocross veterans. Braking and safety. The braking system on the KX500 ensures that riders have the stopping power needed to manage its brutal speed. Large disc brakes deliver quick response, giving riders confidence even during downhill sections and sharp corner entries. Though lacking modern electronics like traction control or ABS, the simplicity enhances rider skill and the authentic two-stroke experience. Why riders still love the KX500? Even decades after production stopped, the KX500 continues to inspire passion among riders. Its raw power, unmistakable two-stroke sound, and mechanical simplicity make it timeless. Many off-road enthusiasts rebuild, restore, and customize KX500s because no modern bike has replicated its fierce character. The machine represents a time when dirt bikes were wild, powerful, and untamed. Modern builds and conversions. Today, custom builders often combine KX500 engines with modern frames, creating hybrids known as AF, aluminum frame, builds. These upgrades bring modern suspension, chassis stiffness, and handling to the iconic power plant. The result is a bike that feels new but retains the soul of the legendary two-stroke engine, giving riders the best of both worlds. Legacy, a legend that lives forever. The Kawasaki KX500 is more than a motorcycle, it's a symbol of two-stroke dominance. It shaped the careers of racers, defined desert racing, and built a legacy that continues to grow. Its unmatched power, simplicity, and adrenaline-filled ride make it one of the most respected off-road machines ever built. Conclusion: the unmatched spirit of the KX500. The KX500 remains a legend not because of refinement, comfort, or electronics, but because of its raw, exhilarating nature. It demands respect, rewards skill, and delivers an unforgettable riding experience. For riders who crave pure power and unfiltered adrenaline, the KX500 continues to stand at the top of the two-stroke world.